Isaac attended college at Cambridge, a school at which he would spend most of his life. In 1665, he graduated from Cambridge, but not before starting to develop his special kind of mathematics known as calculus. Then came the Great Plague, which caused his school to close down. Such a disaster did not discourage Isaac. He just moved back to Woolsthorpe and studied and studied and studied. In fact, 2 years of study in complete isolation led to his development of the laws of motion, advanced theories on calculus he called fluxions, and of course, the law of gravity. And how did Isaac Newton come up with the theory of gravity? Well, it started with an apple.
Hi, I'm Officer Rinaldi, and I'm a police officer, and my main job is to investigate car crashes. In his first law, an object at rest or in motion will stay at rest or in motion until acted upon by an outside force. It really lets us be able to look at the damage of a car and tell what happened, not only before a crash, but also after a crash. On this particular car here, I can look at the damage and I can see how narrow the damage is, and I know that this didn't hit another car. So I know that this car was in motion and it hit a pole, which is going to change the motion that it was in, and in this case, stop it.